Dubai Airports has unveiled an ambitious partnership with Etihad Clean Energy Development Company to create the world's largest rooftop solar panel installation at airports. This remarkable initiative, announced at the World Green Economy Summit, aligns with Dubai's vision to become a global leader in sustainability. The project will see the installation of 62,904 solar panels across Dubai International and Dubai World Central airports, boasting a total capacity of 39 megawatt. Once operational in 2026, these solar panels are expected to generate 60,346 megawatt annually, fulfilling 6.5% of DXP's energy needs and 20% of DWC's. Notably, this initiative will reduce carbon dioxide emissions by a staggering 23,000 tons each year, equating to the removal of 5,000 cars from the roads. Paul Griffiths, CEO of Dubai Airports, emphasized the critical role of airports in reducing carbon footprints. This project complements Dubai's clean energy targets, aiming for 25% of its energy from clean sources by 2030 and 100% by 2050. With such projects, Dubai is set to exceed its 2030 goals and enhance its sustainable future.